Hello dear viewers. Today we are going to make chicken chapli kebab in a restaurant style. In spices, I'm using 1 tablespoon of crushed cumin, 1 tablespoon of crushed red chili, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of ground coriander and salt to taste. 1 bunch of coriander leaf, for green chili, 10 garlic cloves, 1 bunch green onion, 2 cups of yellow corn flour, 10 pounds of ground chicken, 6 eggs, 1 white onion and 6 tomatoes. In a large mixing bowl, combine ground chicken with eggs, chopped onion, coriander leaves, garlic cloves, all the spices and the yellow corn flour. Now in a blender, blend the white onions and tomatoes and set to drain all the excess water out. Mix all the ingredients well with the hands. Lastly, add the onion tomatoes paste in it and mix thoroughly until it is well combined all together. Then grind the mixture in the processor and give it rest for 30 minutes. Take a portion of the mixture and shape it into round flat kebabs. Ensure they are evenly shaped for uniform cooking. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat. Shallow fry the kebabs until they are golden brown on both sides. Your chicken chapli kebabs are ready to be served. Garnish with additional chopped coriander leaves. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.